Hello, I'm Badr, CEO of ATLAN Space. $1.4 billion is what illegal fishing is costing West Africa every year. But this problem is not specific to Africa. It's a worldwide issue that is costing emerging countries $26 billion. Why? Because those countries are not able to monitor very large geographical area, such as the ocean. So we developed our ATLAN Space, a patented technology that guides and coordinates the activity of huge drones so they can monitor very large geographical areas. It's a patented technology, and our artificial intelligence typically helps drones and makes drones decide where to go, understand what they are seeing, and takes the best decision in the specific situation. What we sell is ATLAN Core, ATLAN Service, and ATLAN Cloud, our products that we embed in a turnkey solution we sell to the local partners we recruit, so they provide a final solution to the end customer. The global market is $2.63 billion, and we're targeting West Africa, which is $60 million. Our competitors are satellites that have weather limitation. Traditional drones that have an operational range limitation of maximum 90 kilometers. Light planes that have weather limitation, very expensive, and needs human pilots. In our expansion, we rely on our global, regional, and local partners. We have built $3.48 million of pipeline because what we are selling is a turnkey solution that costs $250,000 to the local partner that sells it to the end customer. We built this pipeline with 9 different customers in 5 different countries. The founders are totaling 27 years of experience in business development, closing and signing multi-million-dollar deals in Africa, artificial intelligence, and intellectual property. But ATLAN Space is not only about illegal fishing. The same technology can be adapted to do border control, deforestation, maritime activity management, among others. So the $2.63 billion we were talking about can be multiplied by 10 or more. We are inviting you to join our round of funding in 3 months to raise $3.4 million. Thank you. Joining me, my friend for 17 years, business partner, and CTO of ATLAN Space, Younes Moumen.
Hello, everyone.
Go ahead.
So the $4.5 million in pipeline, what needs to happen for that to actually be real money?
So we're on advanced discussions with many customers in 5 different countries. And actually, we're planning a field demonstration in the next 2 months. This is what we're seeing round of funds in 3 months, because in the next 2 months, we're doing a live demonstration to a customer in the Indian Ocean, state islands of Indian Ocean that are having a very, very big issue of illegal fishing. And so, yeah, I'm coming from this world of B2B, B2 government. And the customer needs to see the technology on the field in his premise, even though the technology has been tested and is working elsewhere. So with those customers, we're discussing demonstration, field demonstration. And what's interesting is that those demonstrations will not be funded by us. But we are talking with NGOs that will fund those demonstrations for the customer and that will bring the money to buy the solution.
How much are the NGOs paying for the demonstration?
The NGO is paying around $40K.
Okay. So $40K to you?
It's not $40K to us, it's $40K to cover the travel and the expenses and everything.
Are most of your customers so far that you're talking to governments or NGOs, or are there any corporate relationships?
So mainly today we're talking for illegal fishing with governments and NGOs, but we lately started discussing with mining, big firms that are having open field mining and that are facing very huge security issue. So yes, we're today diversifying to corporate in mining.
Tell me about the partner model. How are you working with partners? It sounded a little bit somewhere in between a franchise and somewhere in between a partner. So how is that working?
So we're replicating somehow the business model of Cisco, IBM, Microsoft, and the others. This is the model I've been working with for the last 8 years. And so we're recruiting local partners. The main objective of having local partners is first, speed up the process of sales. Second is that they're also putting cash, so we will not be waiting for the government to pay them so they pay us. We will be paid before they've been paid by the government. This is our, in the contract. And finally, we advise them on buying the UAVs, the big drones, so we don't invest our cash in it because we don't see any value there. We'll be just margining it, and it will be cash consuming, for us, so we're not interested just selling our technology.
Last question, Andy?
So there's not a hardware component to that you're involved with. These are generic large drones, and the value's really in the
in the
the
ship.
software.
What we are developing is algorithms that we install on a ship that we install on the UAV.
Okay. And the patent that you have, is it what regions is it a global patent?
So today it's a Moroccan patent that we are extending with PCT to other regions and other countries in the next coming month. And we're planning to submit 2 new patents before the end of 2017 and 5 others before end of 2018. Because we believe that it has to be patented and locked. Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.